Hello everyone, how are you? I am Dr. Labib from Dr. Labib's Academy. I am back with F6 UK taxation for the financial assessment year 2022. This will be there till March 2024. Okay, so you will have a complete spread of the next few examinations for the June, September, December and March. Okay, this is with respect to section C. Okay, this one is related to section C, and you know in section C you will have 3 questions where 2 questions will be for 15 marks and 1 question will be for 10 marks. I request you to subscribe to this channel so that whenever I am going to post the videos you will get the notification, and share this channel with the people who are doing ACCA UK taxation, and if to watch till the end if you find it really interesting and it is value added for your understanding, like the channel. Okay, please subscribe to this channel and watch till the end. Fine. Now it is with respect to what, see, very simple. The first one is, it is Financial Act 2022 and this is there till March 2024 exams. So you have and it's very easy. Taxation is the most easiest paper we will have. Every paper is easy, you have to plan it. Okay. Now, first and foremost, whenever you will come across a question, every session I will do one question only. Okay, very short one, and in detail I will make it a point. Now, first and foremost, whenever you are going to any question, first you should know what is the requirements. Okay, that is very important. What they require, they say for each of the 2 alternatives of KIONI, making a pension contribution of 20,000, company pension scheme or additional director's remuneration, and then KIONI personally making a personal pension contribution. What they are asking us, they are asking us the revised figures for each of the 4 tax and NIC figures already calculated. Make it a point, they have already calculated, means we are not supposed to change the values. Which values we should not supposed to change? The one which respect to the income tax, employee, this one and this one. Is it already calculated for this? Now we have to do the revised calculation. Fine. Now when we are working with this, we have to be very structured. Is that the first thing that we have to take into consideration, that what is the income tax liability? Income tax liability is 31,817. Is it right? What is the income tax liability? Income tax liability is how much? 31,807 will remain unchanged. Why it is remain unchanged? You should know. Is that why it will remain unchanged? Because the pension contribution will be an exempted benefit. Is it right? Will be an exempted benefit. We have to write this. Okay, we have to write this. Next, they have given a NIC contribution. Is it NIC contribution 1 million? Yeah, is that how much is the NIC on the National Insurance contribution? National Insurance contribution class 1 employee and class 2 employer. Okay, NIC class 1, is right? There is a employee Employee is how much? Employee is 4,268. For 4,628. And what is the employer? Employer contribution is 5,779. It will also remain unchanged, is it? Will also remain unchanged. Fine. The third one. What is the, they say that, see the thing. KIONI is a managing director of and 100% shareholder. Nikio Limited. Nikio has no other employee. He is the only person who is the whole and soul of the company. For the year ending, Nikio tax adjusted trading profit. Is that means we have to take the adjusted net income? Is it right? After taking we have to calculate. Okay. After taking account of director remuneration and employee class 1 NIC, forecasted is how much? 100,000. Fine. Means this is the firm's profit. Is it right? No, Nikio will pay KIONI gross remuneration of 47,500 and dividends are how much? 68,000. It will be part of his income. Is it right? It is part of his income. Based on these figures, they have for the year ending, the KIONI has income tax is 31, employee is this much. Firm's employer is 5779 and corporation tax is 19,000. KIONI is concerned that she has not been saving for her retirement, so there is a planning to make a gross pension. She knows she is planning for her future, 20,000 during the tax year. However, KIONI is unsure whether the pension contribution should be made by Nikio or made by personally. She is not sure to who has to contribute to this. If the pension contribution is made by the firm, the company will make a pension contribution of 20,000. Is it right? 20,000. See, firm's contribution is exempted. Is it right? If the pension contribution is KIONI personally, they will pay a director remuneration of how much? 20,000. And KIONI will then means it will be routed through the salary and it will be given to KIONI, and KIONI in turn she will contribute personally to the pension scheme. How much? Gross. Okay. This is very important. What they are mentioning is very important. Okay. We have to focus on these wordings as such. Okay. Fine. Now that's what it is. Now when you do the things, what is the third one is what is the corporation? What is the corporation tax liability? Is that corporation tax liability will be how much? Very simple. Is that what is the forecasted profit? Forecasted profit is how much? 100,000 minus pension contribution. Is it right? Pension contribution by the employer. Is it right? How much? It is going to be 20,000. Fine. It comes to how much? 80,000. This, what is the corporation tax rate? Corporation tax rate is how much? Corporation tax rate is 19%. Okay, corporation tax rate is how much? 19%. Is it? This is the taxable profits. Is it? Corporation tax liability equal to 80,000 times 19%. Is it right? 80,000 times 80,000 times 19%. It comes to how much? It comes to 15,200. Is it right? If this happens when this happens with respect to, as simple as that, this happens with respect to what? Company pension scheme. Is it right? My handwriting is not that much okay, but fine. Okay. Okay. Next. The second one is it? I will put one dash here so that it will be clear for us. I will change the fine color also. Next, what we have to take? We have to take personal pension contribution. The first one is related to company's pension scheme. The second one is related to personal pension contribution. Now, we have to calculate the revised, is that revised income, what is that revised figures, okay, revised personal contribution. The first one is KIONI's revised income tax liability. Fine. What is the how much he is getting? He is getting a director's remuneration is how much? They have made. Is a director's remuneration is how much? Director's remuneration is how much? Director's remuneration is 67. And director's remuneration 47,500. Is it? 47,500. Next, dividends are how much? Dividends are director's remuneration. Before writing dividends, okay? Before writing dividends, they are giving 20,000 also, is it? Towards the pension. Here they have mentioned for all the alternate pension contribution 20,000. The first they will give it to KIONI, and then KIONI will pay the pension contribution. Okay, so pension contribution given by firm. Okay, given by firm. It will be later contributed by KIONI from his side. Okay, is it right? Part of remuneration. Okay, you should not get confused that yes, pension contribution is taxable exemption. Is it right? It's exemption, but it is part of their things they are paying. Next, what they are doing, they are giving a dividend income also. Is it right? How much is the dividend income? Dividend income is how much? Dividend income is how much? It is 68,000. Is it fine? It is 68,000. If you take the total 005 7 plus 8, it comes to 15, 1, 10, 135, 500. Is it right? 135, 500. From here, is it right? From here, what you have to do? We have to deduct personal allowances. There is a rule, it is there, if it is going to be exceeded 100,000, then you have to take the things into consideration. Is that how much is the personal allowance? We have to take the reduction, is it right? This is the adjusted net income. What is the personal allowance? Personal allowance will be how much in terms of reduction, is it right? In terms of reduction. How much is there? 135, 500. Fine. 135, 500 minus you are contributing, is it right? You are contributing how much? You are contributing 20,000, is it? And how much is the profits? They have mentioned the profits also, the company profits, forecasted profits, 100,000, is it? 100,000. Any doubt, you can put it in the comments. I will get back to you with the things, is it? With the proper explanation. Fine. It comes to how much? It comes to 135,500 minus 20,000 minus divided by 2. Is it right? Personal allowance, it comes to how much? It comes to 7,000 divided by 2, 7,750. Okay, this is the reduction. Now less personal allowance, is that revised one? Okay, personal allowance revised one. How much is there? You have 12,000. How much is that? 12,570. Is that 12,570? How much is the reduction? Reduction is going, we have calculated how much? 7,750. 7,750. It comes to how much? It comes to how much? 0, 2, 7, 5, 15. 8 comes to how much? It comes to 8 and it comes to 4. Revised personal allowance is how much? 4,820. It comes, the taxable income will be 130,680. The taxable income will be how much? The taxable income is 1,680. Now, this is the taxable income. This is the income tax liability. Okay. Now, the basic rate band is how much? 37,700. Okay. At the rate of how much? At the rate of 20%. At the rate of how much? 20%. 37,700.20%. It comes to how much? It comes to 7,540. Is it? They have contributed 20,000. Is it? It comes under basic rate band. They contributed how much to the pension? 20,000. It comes to under the basic rate band. Okay, basic rate band of how much? 20%. It means it is going to be 4,000. Fine. Next, how much is there? The next category. Okay, I will put like here. I will put somewhere here. Okay, I will put somewhere here. Is it right? I will put an arrow, and I will show you the how we have done the things. Is it? Now 130. Is it right? 130 680. Okay, 130 680 minus 130 680 minus how much is there? 130 680 minus 37,700 minus 37,700 minus 20,000 minus, is it right? Minus minus minus, we will take like this, it will be more easier for that. Okay, we will divide the remuneration and dividend income. Okay, that will be much easier for us. Is it? 67,500. Is it? What is 67,500? 67,500 is this one. Okay, 67,500 is what? 67,500 is the total of this one. Okay, the total of this one means we will take dividend income separately, we will take director's remuneration separately. Okay, 67,500 minus 37,700 minus 20,000 minus there is a personal allowance. Is it right? How much is the personal allowance? Personal allowance is 4,820. Okay, it comes to how much? 67,500 minus 37,700 minus 20,000 minus 4,820. It comes to 4,980. 4,980 at the rate of how much? 4,980 at the rate of 40%. Is it right? 4,980 at the rate of 40% at the higher rate. Is it right? At the higher rate. 4,980 times 4, it comes to how much? It comes to 1,992. Fine. We have done this. Now what is left over? See that thing. What is left over? Left over is the dividend income. Is it right? Dividend income. Fine. Dividend income also how much? Dividend income is 68,000. Okay. Dividend income is 68,000. Fine. Now what is the exemption for dividend income? For the exemption for dividend income is 2,000. Is it right? Taxable dividend income is how much? Write down here. Taxable dividend income. Is it? Taxable dividend income is how much? It is 66,000. Is it right? I am putting this here. Okay, it will be easy for us. 66,000 at the rate of how much? at the rate of how much? See, 66,000 at the rate of higher rate only. Is it right? Because if the personal income is higher rate, the dividend income should be also be taxed at the higher rate. How much is the 33.75%? Is it right? 33.7. We have to write 2000 at the rate of 0%. Is it right? 2000 at the rate of 0%, 0. 66,000 at the rate of how much? At the rate of 33, it comes to how much? 66,000 times 33.75. It comes to 22275. See, for 0 also they will give you marks. Is it right? In the question it will be mentioned clearly. If there are any zeros, we have to take that into consideration. How much is there? If you add on the thing, 7540 plus 4000 plus 1992 plus 0 plus 22275. Seven five 40 plus 4000 plus 1992 plus, it comes to how much? It comes to 35,807. This is the income tax liability. Okay, it is the income tax. See, this is, see, I will put it very clearly. Is it right? You should not have any confusion wherever. Is right? I will put it like this. This is the step 1. Okay, this is the step 1. This is the step 2. Okay, and this is the step 3. Is it? This is the step 1, step 2, and step 3. Okay, now what they are asking us is, we have done this, is it? We have done this. And calculate revised figures of each of the 4 alternate tax and NIC figures. Fine. You should assume that the rate of corporation taxes remain unchanged. We have done that. Fine. Now, what is the NIC? What is this? We have done with respect to the revised figures. Okay, for the 4 tax option. Now, what we have? What is the how the things will work with NIC? Next, we have produced full income tax and employee. You are expected to produce full income tax and employee class 1 NIC computations. Is that class 1 NIC computations? KIONI's revised employee class 1 NIC will be, right? NIC will be. Now, yes. We will do for the uh, how much is there? For the first one, till see there is there, if you see a national insurance contributions, class 1 employee, is it right? Class 1 employee from 1 to 12,570, the percentage is zero, nil, is it right? For 12,000 till 0 to 12,570, is it right? At the rate of 0, it comes to 0. Fine. Now, we have to take for 130,680. Is it right? 130,680. Next, what the second one is what? The second one is 50,000 270 minus 12,000 minus 12,570 at the rate of how much? At the rate of 13.75%. Okay, at the rate of 13.75. 50 270 minus 2570 times point, it comes to how much? Minus 12,570. It comes to how much? It comes to 37,700 at the rate of 13.75. Okay, at the rate of 13.75. Or at the rate of 13.25. Okay, 37,700 1325. Okay, 1325 4995. Okay, next, what is the next one? We have over and above, is it right? Over and above. 130,680 minus 5270 minus 12,570. Is it? 67840 at the rate of how much? At the rate of 3.25. No, 1 minute. One 30680 minus 67,840 minus 5270. 17,570 at the rate of 3.25%. Okay, 571. If you take the two, this is the class 1 NIC. 571 plus 4995. It comes to how much? 5566. It comes to how much? 5566. Now, coming back to this, okay, put one line here. Put one employer class 1 NIC. Is it how much already they have paid given in the question? Is it right? Given in the question, how much they have paid given in question? Is it right? Given in question, how much they have paid, already paid? They have paid 5779. Okay, they have paid 57. What is the contribution they are paying? Additional contribution of 20,000 at the rate of how much? At the rate of, you have that 15.05%. Is that 15.05%? It comes to how much? 20,000. 3010. Is it right? 301098788789. Is it 8789? This is the revised class 1 employer. Okay, NIC. Next. What is the revised corporation tax liability? Revised corporation tax liability will be how much? How much is the corporation profits are how much? Corporation taxable profits. How much? 100,000. Okay. Next, how much is the contribution? Pension contribution is how much? It is 20,000. Okay, 20,000. Next, we have done the revised tax. Here we have done. Is it right? How much is that? Is that NIC? NIC is how much? 3010. Is it 3010? If you take that, it comes to how much? 100 minus 20,000 minus 3010. It comes to 76,990. Okay, at the rate of what is the tax? What is that rate? 19%. Is it? What is the rate? 19%. It comes to how much? It comes to 14. It comes to 14,628. It comes to how much? 14,620. This is the revised corporation tax liability. This is the revised NIC. Right? This is the revised by the employee. Employer. This is the income tax liability. Right? This is the income tax. This is the taxable income. Wherever I am putting like this, it makes the mark. Okay, it makes the mark. This is the way we have to solve it. You have that how first you have to plan. Okay, first you have to plan, and accordingly we have go see in a sequence way. It will make things easy for us. Okay, it make things easy for us. This is the way. Any doubts, any comments, any clarifications, please let me know in the comment section. I will request you that you subscribe to this channel, share this channel, and hopefully if you like it, press the like button. And in this series, already I have posted for 9 question number in the Kaplan, 99 and 200 to 99 and 100, 101, and this sequence will be continued, and subsequently I will do the section A and section B also. Okay, so thank you so much, and I hope I will post the next session soon. Thank you.